Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little beat on, and it is extremely early in the morning. I have some coffee ready right here, and we're gonna dive in to something really fun. So if you wanna see me get glam for school, then just keep on watching. So recently, ColourPop had released mystery bags, and I went ahead and placed an order for one online. I was super excited when I opened it because there were so many items in it for your money. Now, it said the bag was $25, but after shipping and everything, it came out to about $32, but you did get a lot of items in here. So you get 4 lipsticks in this little set. The first one we have is a Luxe lipstick. This is in the color Solo. They also included an ultra glossy lip. This is in the shade Champagne Mommy, and girl, this is everything. Like, this is such a pretty color. They also sent over the lippy stick in the shade Ziggy. Ignore that horrible swatch, please. And the ultra blotted lip in the shade Doozy. And it's like a very pretty berry tone as well. But it's got a little hint of like a red to it. And this is definitely a lip stain and not a lipstick. They also sent over 2 Super Shock shadows. They are in Sequin and Party of 5. And they also sent over the Snake Eyes single shadow. And they also sent the Super Shock highlighter over in the shade Mr. Wind. The only thing I'm sad about is that this is a little too dark for me on my skin tone specifically. I'm gonna take the color Sequin. It's very reflective and it's very buttery. And I personally live for that really creamy formula because it helps prevent creasing on the lid. I'm gonna try the ultra blotted lip in the shade Doozy. Now this is a cute formula and a very cute color, and we're gonna try the Champagne Mommy gloss. Now they also just came out with their BFF mascara. The packaging is so cute. So I'm gonna try this out off camera so you don't see me struggle, and I'll be back with some thoughts on it. Now I'm just doing my upper lashes because I feel like that just kind of makes my look a little bit more natural lately. And I really like it. It's lengthening and very dark, but it keeps my lashes separated and not really clumpy. And we'll see throughout the day how it wears. So I just went ahead and highlighted that brow bone and the inner corner a little bit. And now we're gonna try the Super Shock highlighter. That's not really my skin tone. Like when I turn it this way, that's not gonna work for me. This might work. You see that wet reflection? Ooh. Okay, so it literally feels like there is nothing there. And it kind of made a mark when I touched it. Maybe on like the collarbone, it would be cute. A little body glow, you know? I don't even know why I'm putting this on because it's like 40 degrees outside, so I'm gonna be wearing jackets, but I don't really want to give any final thoughts yet. I'm gonna do some check-ins throughout the day and just kind of take you with me to campus, and we will see how everything holds up. So this is check-in number 1. Everything is still looking good, looking poreless. The eyeshadow is not creasing, the lipstick is still pigmented, and the gloss is glossy. So I will be back in a little while longer for another check-in. So we are back for another check-in. I have kind of looked under my eyes and I'm seeing a little bit of transfer from the mascara. So that's not my favorite thing ever to happen. And it doesn't say that it's waterproof or transfer proof, but you would think that it would last, you know, a little while. But other than that, the concealer is doing really nice. The shadows haven't flaked on my face and they're still nice and bold. And I don't see too much creasing with them. The lipstick, I have been drinking water all day and it is still on. And the gloss somehow is still on too. So we're back home. This is the next check-in. And it's been about an hour since the last one. And I just want to sit down in the bright lights and get a closer look at everything. Now the lipstick right around in here is kind of faded, but you can't really tell. And the blotted formula is very comfortable. And I do have a gloss on top, but it stayed very like moist and not, you know, crunchy. And somehow after drinking waters and coffee and everything this morning, I still have gloss on my lip. I haven't touched up anything because I wanted the real, honest, unfiltered tea to be shown. Now, these Super Shock shadows are gorgeous. It hasn't creased on me, and normally I'll get a little line running in here, and it still looks great. And now the concealer from ColourPop wasn't in the mystery bag, but I did use that, and I'm having a little creasing right in here, which is pretty normal for me. It's annoying, but normal. The only thing that was kind of annoying was the mascara ran slightly, like right here, and kind of in this area you can see some transfer. And I do have allergies, so my eyes do tend to water, so it could have been from that, but I just wish this would have been a little bit more transfer proof. Now, all in all, I think this bag was worth it. You know, going to the store and buying all these things individually would exceed the amount that I paid for it very quickly. I know just with the Super Shock shadows and the mascara, we're probably at 20 bucks, $25, added another lipstick. You know, that's going over what I paid for the bag, and we still have another lipstick, a gloss, the highlighter. So you really do get a good bit of things for your money. Now, I don't know if these are still in stock, but I'm sure that they will be doing them sometime soon, and it was really interesting that they included their new items in it. I would give everything a huge thumbs up, and I just love the color selection that they sent too. It was very warm berries and just very complimentary tones. So if you enjoyed watching this little tutorial, please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up or leave me a comment, and I will see you on the next one.